INA. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. He passed the Indian Civil Service examination in England. He entered active politics at the age of 24. He believed in revolutionary methods for the attainment of Swaraj. It was Rabindranath Tagore who actually named Bose as Netaji, but he was surnamed by Adolf Hitler. Rift with Gandhiji. Gandhiji favored the idea of small scale industry. On the other hand, Bose favored the policy of large scale industrialization. While dealing with the opponents, Bose favored tact, that is, skill, and Gandhiji favored openness. There were two wings in Congress party, that is, right wing and left wing. The left wing was led by Bose, who wanted the Congress to help the people of princely states in their freedom struggle, but it was opposed by Gandhiji. Bose wanted to take advantage of the difficulties faced by the British in Europe because of German threat. On the other hand, Gandhiji wanted to compromise and didn't want to start any national struggle during the war. Rift in Congress. Gandhiji tries to discourage Bose from standing for re-election as president of the Congress for a second term at Tripura, Madhya Pradesh session of the Congress in 1939. Bose still decided to stand for elections. Pattabhi Sitaramaya was nominated by Gandhiji for the presidential candidate and made all efforts for the success of his candidate. Bose still won by majority. Gandhiji felt that the defeat of his candidate is the defeat of himself, hence, he resigned along with the 13 members of the Congress Working Committee. Working Committee requested Bose to work as per the wishes of Gandhiji. Majority also supported Gandhiji, which resulted in a deadlock between Bose and Gandhiji. The Gandhian wing opposed the president to make it impossible for Bose to function. Bose finally resigned from the presidentship of the Congress on 29th April 1939. Forward Bloc. After resigning, Bose formed a new party within the Congress to bring the entire left wing under one banner. Hence, a new party was formed on 3rd May 1939, which was called as Forward Bloc. Objectives of Forward Bloc. Its immediate objective was liberation of India with the support of workers, peasants, youth, etc. After attaining independence, Forward Bloc would work for the establishment of a socialist state through reorganization of agriculture and industry on socialist terms, abolition of the zamindari system, introduction of a new monetary and credit system, Indian National Army (INA). Mohan Singh, who was an Indian officer in British Indian Army in Malaya, Malaysia, got an idea of the INA. For this, he went to Japanese for help. Japanese had always encouraged Indians to join anti-British organizations but had no such idea of forming a military wing consisting of Indians. Japanese handed over Indian prisoner of war POWs to Mohan Singh, who admitted them to INA. Singapore was defeated, which brought 45,000 Indian POWs to Mohan Singh's INA. 40,000 people expressed their wish to join INA by end of 1942. It was clear that INA would go to India only on the invitation of Indian National Congress and people of India. Objectives of the INA: to organize an armed revolution and to fight the British Army with modern arms. As it wasn't possible for Indians staying in homeland to organize an armed revolution, this task was passed to Indians living abroad, particularly in East Asia. to organize a provisional government of Free India in order to mobilize or assemble all forces effectively. Total mobilization of Indian manpower and money for a total war. The motto of the INA was Unity, Faith and Sacrifice. Provisional Government of Free India. Bose set up the Provisional Government of Free India on 21st October 1943 in Singapore. The Provisional Government then declared war on Britain and the US. Bose shifted the headquarters of the Provisional Government to Rangoon in 1944. The Provisional Government acquired its first stretch of territory in India when Japan handed over Andaman and Nicobar Island to it on 6th November 1943. Bose renamed them Shahid and Swaraj Island respectively. Bose gave the call to his soldiers, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." His battle cries were Dilli Chalo and Jai Hind. Achievements of the INA. INA captured Modoc, an outpost situated in southeast of Chittagong, and reached up to the frontier of India. They captured strong military post of Klang Klang. The INA gave tough fight to British forces in Assam Hills and successfully captured Okhral and Kohima. They raised and hoisted tricolor flag for the first time on the liberated Indian soil on March 19, 1944. Impact of the INA. The INA set an inspiring example of patriotism. The heroic deeds and sacrifices of the soldiers of the INA led to political consciousness among the Indian forces. The British now realized that they could not rely on the Indian forces to continue their rule in India.